Hello and welcome. This is Robin and you're watching English Fluency with Robin. Today we are going to the final part of revision of basics in English. We have already completed revision of basics in English and the detailed classes are already uploaded in English grammar playlist. You can check the English grammar playlist link from today's video description. You can click on that link to watch from part 1. So today this is the final part of the revision. Okay, so if you have missed out the classes, you can look into this class and find out the important things we have covered. So we have covered sentence structure, we have covered action verbs, present and past forms in real life situation and the application in real life situations with multiple examples were covered. So if you want to watch the detailed classes, you can check English grammar playlist either from the home page or you can check today's video description for the link. You can click on that link to watch from part 1. So next part we will be starting with simple present tense and important grammar portions are yet to come. So I will be starting important tenses classes from the next class. That is why I have this final part of revision to make sure you have completely followed the classes until now. Okay, so we have discussed with sentence structure, we have discussed with the word order in English, how a sentence is arranged in English. We start with the subject followed with a verb and with an object. Okay, for example, I play cricket means I play cricket every day. I play cricket every day. I is the subject, play is the verb and cricket is the object part. So the verb comes in the middle in English. If your native language is not English, it is a different one than English, then the sentence structure might be different in your native language. So make sure when you translate into English, this is the word order that you need to follow. Subject followed with verb and the object. Here I play cricket every day means I is the subject, the play, that is the action verb which comes in the middle, followed by cricket as the object and the time in the evening comes at the end. I will give another example. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. This is something that I do in a repetitive manner. For example, the previous example also, I play cricket, that means my habitual action, that is something that I do regularly on a regular basis in a repetitive manner. That's why we use the play as the first form of verb. And again here this example, I drink tea in the morning means I have a habit of drinking tea in the morning. I is the subject, drink is the first form of verb and tea is the object part. Now let me look into the past forms right now. You can check the past forms. I played cricket yesterday evening. I played cricket yesterday evening. That means it is a completed action. We are using the past form. Instead of play, we are using played. That is something, an action which is already completed. That is why we use the past form. Okay, just like that, instead of I drink tea, I can say I drank tea in the morning. Okay, now it is the afternoon. So I am telling my friend, I drank tea in the morning. I drank tea in the morning. That means it is a completed action. I drink tea is a repetitive one. That is a habitual action. That is what you do on a regular basis. But here, I drank tea in the morning is a completed action. So this final part of revision was intended for people who have missed all the earlier classes. So you can check the English grammar playlist for detailed classes. Next part onwards, we will be starting with important classes on tenses, starting with simple present tense and its real life applications. So that's all for today. I hope you found the training session useful. If you found it useful, don't forget to give me a like for this video. It's quite inspiring for me to offer you such training sessions. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss any of the upcoming training sessions. That's all for today. I'll be back with the next training session soon. Bye.